Hello and welcome back. We're going to spend the next few minutes looking at what is covered in each of the 8 modules. Module 1, we are going to look at preventive maintenance and SAP S/4HANA asset management. And the 4 areas that we're going to cover in this module include the preventive maintenance, which is an important strategy for reducing downtime and improving equipment efficiency. SAP S/4HANA Cloud, which is an ERP system that provides businesses with a comprehensive solution for managing their operations. Then do a quick introduction to SAP Activate methodology. This is a proven framework for implementing SAP S/4HANA Cloud. And finally, we're going to look at the Fiori Launchpad, which is a user-friendly web-based interface that allows users to perform tasks quickly and easily. Module 2, we're going to be looking at maintenance business processes. This includes work notification, which is the first step in initiating the maintenance process, maintenance planning, scheduling, maintenance execution, which involves performing the maintenance tasks according to the plan, and finally, we are going to look at the technical completion, which involves documenting and verifying that maintenance tasks have been completed or performed as planned. In Module 3, we are going to configure SAP PM organizational structure. We are going to configure the company code, maintenance plan, planning plan, planner group, locations and plan sections, and also the work centers. Module 4, I'm going to explain how to configure generic functions, and these are functions that are used in several locations or several objects. Some of the generic functions that we're going to be configuring include the status management, warranties and counters, permits, partners, documents, list variants, and multi-level lists, among others. Moving on to Module 5, we are going to look at technical systems. The actual process of constructing technical systems. And some of the technical objects that we're going to be configuring or constructing include the functional location, equipment, fleet objects, linear assets, material types, and serial numbers. Module 6, we're going to go through the work order cycle, which includes notification, catalog profiles, work order, availability check, order settlement, and completion confirmations, among the rest of the elements that are listed here. In Module 7, we are going to look at the maintenance processes. Customizing maintenance processes required for effective maintenance program. And this includes task lists, maintenance plans, external processing. There is refurbishment, subcontracting, which is quite important, pool asset management, and even also look at shift reports and shift notes. And finally, Module 8, this is where we're going to play around with the Fiori Launchpad, creating maintenance notification, technical completion, creating functional locations and equipment, and also managing malfunction reports. So that's a summary of the 8 modules that will be covered in this training, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.